Okay, greetings to you. So thank you because you are following LIDCWE. LIDOM Difficult Creole Words in English. So we come with other words for you, and we thank you very much. Okay, so you can share if you like. So you can subscribe or comment. The comments will be very important. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, LIDCWE. Okay, this is just LIDOM Difficult Creole Words in English. So we come with some other words for you, and you're going to know how to say, for example, balcone puzzi, par exemple, morde, si she modo. So for capability utilize a website, and sometimes the beginners don't really know, some kind of words, but if you advance, okay, you might know them. But we come with them because we know that as a nation, so if you're learning English, you must know more things in order to be artists in this language, like a native. Yes, or better than native. Thank you. So morde en anglais c'est ok, c'est bite. Le verbe c'est to bite. Ok, bitten. Ok, you're going to see si chez modo wap kapab di sa konnen la, et wal konnen tout piqué. Ok, toujours morde si gep modo. Comme nous te bay gep na, ok, vidéo qui te passé ya, gep c'était wasps. Ok, nous te bay niche gep qui te paper wasps et or wasps nest. Ok, paper wasps. Ok, si c'est un peu le temps mit SDL. Ok, ou du moins try essaye non. Ok, wasps nest. C'était niche gap dans la vidéo que t'es passé. Thank you. Morde en anglais, ok, c'est to, ok, to bite. To bite, ok, morde. Ou ka utiliser ni pour chien mordeau ou bien quelque sorte, ni pour gap, ok, and so on. Ok, I am bitten, ok, by a dog. Gen yon chien qui mordem, ok. I am bitten by a dog. Chien mordem. Thank you. Yon chien mordem. Now, pour piquer, you can say to, si gep modo, wal bom sa, ou ka chwazi nepot nan sampal ba yo. Ok, si gep modo, ou konen wasp, ok, ki se gep deja. Ok, let me, just write it for you. Ok, wasp, ki se gep ke nou te bay, ok. E nou te tou ba ou, ok. Nis gep, kom sa, like that. Nest. Okay, wasp's nest, or you can just say paper. Okay, paper wasp. Okay, paper wasp. Okay, wasp. Thank you. Okay, bite, morde. Chien mordem. Le chien m'a mordi. That dog bite me. Ou pran pase ya. That dog bite me. Okay. Chien te mordem. Chien mordem. That dog bite me. Or I was bitten by the dog. I was bitten by the dog. Ça c'est à la forme passive. Thank you. Or you can say, okay, for piquer par une abeille, tout ça. Une abeille is to sting. Okay, to sting. Ou même qui va gagner pour bon mon phrase avec lui. Après n'importe. OK. On va le faire comme ça. Like that. Gap modem na pied. Gap modem na pied. OK. Gap modem na pied. C'est fois ça bien pour venir avec un commentaire. So I'm quite simple. It's très simple. So it's very simple. Beginner of probably bien rapide. Thank you because you are with me on this channel. So I love you all, and I want you to, continue following all the videos